So here is my response for this question. In this question, you have been given two equations. This is the first one and the second one. It looks to me a system of equations. Let me write it down. So I have negative 5x minus 7y equal to negative 2. Let us say this is equation number 1, and the other one is negative 11x plus 3y equal to negative 8, and that is equation number 2. And they are asking you to find 3x minus 5y equal to how much? Now it looks to me it is a system of equations, and I can use any of the method like substitution method, elimination method, or any other method and solve these equations for the value of x and y, and plug in or substitute the value of x and y in here to get the answer. But honestly, when a question like this is given in SAT, it is going to take the time, more than the time allowed to answer this question when you're taking SAT. So is it something wrong with this method? No, there is nothing wrong with the method, but it is not good to answer the question for SAT. So we have to figure it out. Number one. Number two, they are not asking you to find the value of x and y individually. They are asking how much is this equal to. So what we are going to do in here, looking into these two equations, the given equations, we have to figure it out. What is the other options we have to answer this question? So this is what I say, that what we should do to these two equations, these given equations, to get this. So you can either add these two equations or subtract these two equations and try to get 3x minus 5y. So in here, if I try to subtract or add, first we have to figure it out what we should do. So let us try and see what we should do. If I add them, so I will get negative 16x, which is not coming here. So the second option is if we subtract them. So when you subtract, the equation being subtracted, that the sign of those terms of that equation will change. So this negative sign will become positive. When you're subtracting, this positive sign will become negative, and this 8 will become positive. So now I'm going to combine these two like terms. So it is positive 11x, take away 5x, so I get 6x, and it will be positive. In here, both of them are negative signs, so that will give me negative 10y. And these two are different signs, so I will get positive 6, 8 minus take away 2, it gives me 6. That is what It's going to, but this one is also not the same as 3x minus 5y, but we can easily see this, and we can uh, divide. If I divide the whole equation by 2, probably it's going to work. So if I divide this equation by 2, I'm going to get 2 goes into 6 3 times, so the answer I get 3x minus 2 goes into 10 5 times, 5y, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So this is 3x minus 5y, exactly the same. So the answer is going to be 3. The value of 3x minus 5y is equal to 3, and the choice is B. This is the best possible way to answer this question, and it should not take more than 30 seconds to get the answer of these kind of questions. I hope you understand the explanation.